Rheem Tankless Water Heater Troubleshooting Ultimate Guide. To troubleshoot a Rheem Tankless water heater, check for error codes and ensure proper gas, water, and power supply. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues. Rheem Tankless water heaters are popular for their efficiency and continuous hot water supply. Like any appliance, they can encounter problems. Common issues include error codes, temperature fluctuations, and low water pressure. Identifying and solving these problems requires understanding the unit's manual, checking connections, and performing routine maintenance. Ensuring the heater receives adequate gas, water, and power is crucial for optimal performance. Regular inspections and addressing minor issues promptly can extend the heater's lifespan. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems and maintain your Rheem Tankless water heater effectively. NASH, Rheem Tankless water heater common issues. Rheem Tankless water heaters are known for their efficiency, but sometimes they can face issues. Knowing common problems helps in quick troubleshooting. 1. No hot water. 2. Fluctuating water temperature. Rheem Tankless water heater error codes. Rheem Tankless water heaters are known for their efficiency and reliability. Yet, like all appliances, they can face issues. Understanding the error codes displayed on your Rheem unit can help you troubleshoot problems quickly. Here's a detailed guide to help you with that. 1. Understanding error codes. 2. Common error codes and solutions. Rheem Tankless water heater water flow problems. Experiencing water flow problems with your Rheem Tankless water heater can be frustrating. These issues can range from low water pressure to inconsistent water flow. Understanding these problems can help you troubleshoot and fix them quickly. 1. Low water pressure. 2. Inconsistent water flow. Rheem Tankless water heater gas supply issues. Experiencing gas supply issues with your Rheem Tankless water heater can be frustrating. Proper gas flow is crucial for efficient operation. Incorrect gas supply can cause many problems. Let's explore the key areas to check. 1. Checking gas lines. 2. Ensuring proper ventilation. Rheem Tankless water heater electrical problems. Experiencing electrical problems with your Rheem Tankless water heater can be frustrating. These issues can disrupt your daily routine. This section will guide you through common electrical problems and their solutions. 1. Power supply check. 2. Circuit breaker issues. Rheem Tankless water heater maintenance tips. Regular maintenance ensures your Rheem Tankless water heater runs smoothly. Follow these tips to extend its lifespan and efficiency. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Annual inspections. Rheem Tankless water heater when to call a professional. Owning a Rheem Tankless water heater can be a great experience, but sometimes troubleshooting issues can be tricky. It's essential to know when it's time to call a professional. Here we will discuss two main points: identifying complex problems and finding a qualified technician. 1. Identifying complex problems. 2. Finding a qualified technician. Frequently asked questions about Rheem Tankless water heater. Why is my Rheem Tankless water heater not working? Check for power supply issues or trip circuit breakers. Verify gas supply and ensure vents are clear. How do I reset my Rheem Tankless water heater? Press the reset button located on the unit's control panel. Refer to the user manual for specific instructions. Why is my Rheem water heater not heating water? Inspect for mineral buildup, blocked vents, or faulty heating elements. Ensure adequate water flow and temperature settings. How do I fix error codes on my Rheem Tankless water heater? Consult the user manual for error code meanings. Follow the troubleshooting steps provided for each specific error. What maintenance does a Rheem Tankless water heater need? Regularly descale the unit, clean the air filter, and inspect gas and water connections for leaks. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Conclusion about Rheem Tankless water heater. Resolving issues with your Rheem Tankless water heater can be straightforward with the right guidance. Follow the troubleshooting steps carefully. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future problems. Always consult a professional for complex issues. Your Rheem Tankless water heater will run efficiently, ensuring hot water on demand.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.